chicken's health directly impacts your family's nutrition, and most people are unknowingly compromising both conventional treatments that destroy beneficial gut bacteria in their chicken flock. Today, I'm going to share with you 2 natural solutions that eliminate pathogens and parasites while actually supporting your bird's immune systems. If you want healthier chickens and more nutritious eggs, this is going to change everything. Okay, so let's head to the kitchen and I will show you how to make a 𝗛𝗃𝗵 spray, because these are Jenny's hennies, and I'll show you how to make a powder to eradicate some of those parasites. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna make is the Coop powder. And so we are gonna use some diatomaceous earth. Not all diatomaceous earth is made equally. This is food grade. And so what it does is it cuts the exoskeletons of the parasites, and we're going to pair it with some essential oils. And that's going to really create a hostile environment for some pests and bugs as well. So these are the oils that we're going to use. We're going to use 8 to 10 drops of lemon per cup. I have 2 cups of diatomaceous earth in there already, so I'm just going to double that. And then we're going to do 5 to 8 drops of lavender. Lavender is pretty fun because it's going to also calm the birds and give them a very peaceful environment. And remember that birds are smaller than we are, so they need a little bit less. So we're going to spread about a cup of this over 10 square feet. And then we're going to do 5 to 8 drops of eucalyptus. Remember, I'm doubling it if you're counting my drops. And then peppermint, 10 to 15 drops. So we will put 20 in. Some of the problems that we see with chickens is they get mites and lice, and it affects their health. Here's the brilliant part. Diatomaceous earth is completely safe for your chickens because their stomach acid dissolves the silica. A lot of people will use different pest control, but this one is safest because they will create a resistance to those synthetic ones, the chemical ones, but they will not to these plant extracts and to diatomaceous earth. Okay, so once we get our essential oils mixed in with the diatomaceous earth, you're just gonna shake that, let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes and let those oils really absorb into that diatomaceous earth. And then, like I said, we'll go back out to the coop. We'll take about a cup of this per 10 square feet and sprinkle it around. We can sprinkle it on the bedding, their nest boxes. We can do it where they give themselves dust baths. Birds naturally know to dust themselves off, and this will actually help to get all of that diatomaceous earth up in their feathers and kill those parasites. Okay, so like I said, chickens naturally dust bathe themselves to reduce the parasites. So the beauty of the system of using diatomaceous earth and essential oils is you're just working what the chickens do naturally. You're working with their instincts and not against them. So let's move on and make our spray to spray down the coop. So now we're going to create an essential oil spray that creates an environment that's hostile to those pathogens and creates a healthy environment for our birds. So we're not just masking problems, we're addressing the root cause and being proactive. Okay, so let's get to making the spray. We're going to use 2 cups of water. We're going to add some essential oils, and we're also going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil because it acts like an emulsifier. So essential oils kind of just sit on the top of the water. So we're going to mix the coconut oil in with the essential oils so that it mixes everything up nicely for our spray. We're going to put about a tablespoon of coconut oil in there. I just give a little squirt. We're going to do 20 drops of peppermint, and then we're going to do 15 drops of lemon and 10 drops of oregano. Now, the benefit of peppermint is it's going to repel rodents, has menthol, that works really well. 15 drops of lemon. So lemon has D-limonene, and that's going to break down the bacteria cell walls. Enjoy the birdies singing. It's a clock. That's a clock. And then we're going to do 10 drops of oregano. Oregano has 𝗧𝗏𝗃𝗀 in it, which is naturally antiviral and antibacterial. And so that's going to support your bird's health. So we get all of that in there. We're going to mix that together. You can keep it in a jar. I have a smaller glass bottle to use for my spray. You could put all of this in a bigger spray bottle or keep it in just a glass jar to use later. And I'll also give you my weekly schedule. On Mondays, we're gonna mix the powder all over the coop, and then on Wednesdays we're gonna do a spritz down, and then on Friday we're gonna check the health of the birds. All right, I'm just gonna pour this in the spray bottle. All right, I got our cute little spray bottle. My chickens, I call them Jenny's Hennies. So this is Henny Haven spray. And then once your diatomaceous earth and essential oils have all sat and really fumigated in there, all the essential oils fumigate that diatomaceous earth, you can put it into your jar, or you can use some sort of jar with like a sprinkle cap. I did not have that, but that would make it a lot easier because this is probably going to be a mess trying to get this all in here. These jars will be nice to store it. I can keep it out there with my chicken supplies, by the coop, and just weekly. Remember that every Monday I'm going to be sprinkling this. So these natural methods work because they support your chicken's biology instead of fighting against it. Healthier birds means healthier eggs, higher omega-3s, more vitamins, stronger shells, like Big Mama. She gives us the big eggs. Your family's going to get more nutrition because your chickens are healthier. Try this approach for 1 month and watch the difference in the health of your birds. Your birds will be more active, your coop will smell better. That's a good bonus. And your eggs are going to be more nutritious. So my challenge to you is to try these 2 methods for 1 month and see if your chickens are happier, healthier, laying more eggs, and just giving you the most nutritious eggs that you've ever seen. If you liked this content, please give us a like, a subscribe, and tag me in all your chicken content, and drop in the comments some names for my new peeps. I have 3 new peeps and I need some name inspo. So just follow me for more content like this and share it with your friends and family, especially if you have other chicken lovers or crazy chicken women like my kids call me.